I want to do a shout out right after the intro. So let's get started. You guys know I don't do a lot of shout outs, but when I find a channel where the person is intelligent, a straight shooter, and doesn't sugarcoat stuff, sometimes I just want to say something about him. So in case you haven't heard of him, this guy's name is Grant Hubbard. He's an Army vet. He's into naturopathic medicine. He's getting a doctorate in it. And this guy knows his stuff. So I would suggest that you guys go check out his channel. Check it out. See what he's got to say. He's a lot of fun. He's a good guy. You'll find a link to Grant's channel in the description box. Go check him out. Check out some of his videos. If you like him, give him a sub. Tell him that Dan sent you. And until next time, this is Dan from Dan's Urban Survival and Prepping. Take care of each other.